At the end of the last video, I made you a promise. I said I'd come back and go deep on the single best animal to start with, the one with the lowest cost to get going, the fastest payback, and the easiest first sale. So if you watch 7 animals stack up to $5,000 a month and thought, okay, but where do I actually start? This is your answer. It's the Coturnix quail. And it isn't close. Here's why. Almost every animal that makes money makes you wait. A meat rabbit takes 10 to 12 weeks to reach market. A laying hen takes 5 to 6 months before it lays its first egg. A dairy goat is a year-plus project before it earns a cent. Quail break that rule completely. A Coturnix quail starts laying at 6 to 7 weeks old, not months, weeks. And if you start the smart way, you can make your first sale inside of 14 days. So in this video, I'm going to give you the whole thing, the exact setup and what it costs. The real numbers, eggs per day, what they sell for, what feed costs, and what you actually keep. A day-by-day plan to your first sale in 2 weeks. Exactly who buys these and how to reach them. And the handful of mistakes that quietly kill a quail operation before it ever makes money. One animal, start to finish. Let's build it. Let's be specific about why quail win, because it's not just speed. 1. They're tiny, so space is almost free. A single quail needs less floor space than a sheet of paper. You can keep 40 to 50 birds in a stacked cage system that fits in the corner of a garage, a shed, or a balcony. You do not need land, you barely need a room. 2. They're legal where chickens aren't. This is the one nobody mentions. A huge number of towns and HOAs ban roosters and limit or ban chickens, but say nothing about quail because quail are classified differently and they're quiet. No crowing. A quail covey is barely louder than a bird feeder. That means you can run this in places where a chicken flock would get you a fine. 3. They pay you 3 different ways from the same bird. Eggs are the daily cash. Hatching eggs and live chicks are the second stream. Other people are always starting, and they'll buy your fertile eggs and chicks. And meat birds are the third. 1 animal, 3 products. 4. The payback is genuinely fast. Low money in, quick money out. With most livestock, your cash is tied up for months. With quail, a bird you set up today can be paying for its own feed in a couple of weeks and turning a profit shortly after. That speed is the whole reason this is the animal to learn on. If you're going to make beginner mistakes, and you will, make them on the animal that forgives you fastest and costs you least. Now the setup, exactly what you need and what you can skip. The birds, start with about 50. And here's the single most important decision in this whole video: buy point-of-lay hens, not day-old chicks. Point-of-lay birds are 6 to 8 weeks old, basically ready to lay or already laying. Day-old chicks are cheaper, but they put you 6 or 7 weeks away from your first egg. Point-of-lay birds put you days away. For a beginner who wants to see real money fast, that head start is worth every penny. Get roughly 45 hens and 5 males. Expect to pay somewhere around $6 to $12 a bird depending on your area. The housing, a stacked wire cage system. You can buy one purpose-built or build one from wire and a frame for a fraction of the cost. The rule that matters, about 1 square foot per 4 birds, with a wire floor sloped slightly so eggs roll forward to collect. That one feature saves you cracked eggs and a lot of cleaning. Feeders and waterers. Simple, but quail are messy and they waste feed, so use feeders that stop them scratching it onto the floor, and nipple or cup waterers so they can't foul the water. This is a small cost that protects your single biggest cost, which is feed. Feed. This matters. Quail need a high-protein game bird or turkey starter, around 24 to 28% protein. Regular chicken layer feed does not have enough protein and your birds will lay poorly on it. This is the #1 beginner mistake and it's completely avoidable. Light. A cheap LED bulb on a timer. Quail need 14 to 16 hours of light a day to keep laying. Skip this and production falls off a cliff, especially in winter. A timer and a bulb cost a few dollars and they are not optional. Optional, an incubator. You don't need one to start. But a small incubator is how you unlock the second income stream, hatching your own chicks to sell or to grow your flock for free. Add it once you're selling eggs, not before. So all in, a 50-bird laying setup runs you roughly $600 to $900, and a big chunk of that. The cage, the feeders, the light, you only buy once. Now, the part you actually came for. The math. And I'm going to keep this honest, these are realistic numbers, not best-case fantasy. Eggs. A healthy Coturnix hen lays around 5 to 6 eggs a week, call it 300 a year. 45 laying hens give you roughly 40 to 45 eggs a day. That's about 3.5 dozen every single day. Price. Quail eggs are not commodity eggs. They sell as a premium novelty for $6 to $10 a dozen at farmers markets to Asian restaurants and to gourmet food shops. Let's use $7 to be conservative. So 3.5 dozen a day at $7 is about $24 a day. Across a month, that's roughly $700 a month from eggs alone from 50 birds. Now subtract the real cost. Feed is your main ongoing expense. 50 quail eat roughly 2 to 3 pounds of feed a day. A 50-pound bag of game bird feed runs you somewhere around $25 to $35 and lasts a couple of weeks. So figure $60 to $80 a month in feed at this size. Add a little for bedding and the electricity for your light, and your running costs are under $100 a month. That leaves you somewhere around $500 to $600 a month in actual profit from a single stacked cage of 50 birds. And I haven't even counted the other 2 streams yet. And that's just stream 1. Once you add a small incubator, the math shifts in your favor again. A fertile hatching egg sells for 2 to 4 times the price of a food egg, and a live day-old chick goes for $1 or $2 each to the constant stream of people starting their own quail. Think about that. Instead of selling a hen's egg once for 60 cents, you hatch it and sell the chick for $1.50. Same egg, more than double the money, and you can do it with the eggs you'd otherwise sell cheap. Add in your surplus males processed as meat instead of sitting there eating feed, and the egg figure isn't your ceiling, it's your floor. So, conservatively, eggs alone, around $600 a month of profit from a setup that cost you well under $1,000 and fits in a corner. Layer the chicks and the meat on top once you're rolling, and a single cage of 50 birds comfortably clears that. That's the math that makes quail the starter animal. Here's the plan that gets you to your first sale in 2 weeks. This only works because you bought point-of-lay birds. This is why I told you to. Days 1 and 2, set up and bring the birds home. Cage assembled, feeders full of that high-protein feed, water clean, and the light on a timer running 14 to 16 hours. Bring your 50 birds home in the evening when it's calm. Days 3 through 5, let them settle. Moving stresses quail, and a stressed quail pauses laying for a few days. That's normal. Keep the lights and feed consistent, keep traffic and noise low, and they'll start or resume laying within a few days. Start collecting and refrigerating eggs as they come. Days 5 through 7, line up your buyer now before you have a pile of eggs. This is the step beginners skip, and it's the most important one. Post in local Facebook farm and homestead groups and on Marketplace fresh local quail eggs. Call 2 or 3 Asian restaurants and gourmet delis and ask if they buy quail eggs. Many do regularly, and they're thrilled to find a local supplier. And find your nearest weekend farmers market. Days 8 through 14, accumulate and sell. By now you're collecting a few dozen a day. Refrigerated, they keep for weeks, so they stack up fast. Carton them, and on that second weekend, you make your first sale at the market or to the restaurant that said yes. That's your first cash inside 14 days. That's the whole point of starting with quail. 2 weeks from setup to selling. Try that with literally any other animal on the list in your waiting months. Let's go deeper on the buyers, because this is where the money actually lives. Farmers markets are your bread and butter. Quail eggs are a curiosity, pretty, speckled, premium, and people pay for novelty. Display them well and price with confidence. Asian and gourmet restaurants are the steady wholesale account. Quail eggs are a staple in many Asian cuisines and a garnish in fine dining, and a chef who can buy fresh, local, and reliable will take a standing order every week. One good restaurant account smooths out your whole month. The breeder market is the quiet money. Other people are always starting quail, and they need hatching eggs and chicks. Fertile hatching eggs sell for a good markup over food eggs, and live chicks sell for $1 or $2 each. Once you add that incubator, you're effectively selling the same animal twice. And processed meat birds round it out. Your surplus males and spent hens become a product instead of a cost. The pricing rule across all of it: never apologize for the price and never compete with the grocery store. You are not selling a commodity. You're selling fresh, local, premium this week eggs. Price like it. Now, let me be honest about the work, because that honesty is the whole point of this channel. Quail are the easiest animal on the list, but easy is not the same as nothing. Here's the actual job, twice a day, about 15 minutes each time. In the morning, collect the eggs, top up feed and water, and take 10 seconds to confirm everyone looks healthy and the light came on. In the evening, collect again, refill, done. Once a week, you pull the trays and give the cage a proper clean, call it an hour. That is the entire commitment. It is genuinely small, but it's daily. The birds don't take weekends, and a quail that runs out of water on a hot afternoon is a quail in real trouble by evening. So the question isn't whether you have the skill. You do. This is simple. The question is whether you'll show up for 20 quiet minutes morning and night every day. Do that, and quail will pay you like clockwork. That's the trade. Now the mistakes, because every one of these is avoidable and every one of them sinks beginners. 1. The wrong feed. Chicken layer feed instead of high-protein game bird feed. Your birds will underlay and you'll think, quail don't work. They work. The feed was wrong. 2. Not enough light. Drop below 14 hours and laying crashes. A timer fixes it forever. 3. Overcrowding and dirty cages. Cram too many birds in and ammonia builds up, birds get sick, and laying stops. Give them the space and clean regularly. 4. Buying day-old chicks when you wanted fast income. Nothing wrong with chicks, but know you've just signed up for a 7-week wait. For speed, buy point of lay. And 5, the biggest one, not finding your buyers before you have eggs. Eggs pile up fast, line up the market stall and the restaurant in week 1, not week 5. So that's the whole blueprint. Quail are the animal to start with because they cost the least, pay back the fastest, and sell the easiest. Laying at 6 weeks, 3 income streams, no land, and a real shot at your first sale in 14 days. Around $600 a month in profit from one corner cage, and that's just the starting point. Start with one stacked cage of 50 point-of-lay birds, get it to real income. Then, and only then, add the incubator, add a second cage, and let the flock pay to grow itself. That's how a corner of a garage becomes a real piece of that quarter-acre income we talked about. If this gave you a plan you can actually act on, subscribe, because next I'm doing the exact same deep dive on the number 2 starter, the meat rabbit, and showing you how to run quail and rabbits together. Now go build your cage.